Assalamualaikum dear viewer and subscriber. I am engineer Bashar. Welcome my channel Atlas Automation PD. Dear friend, today I discuss Omron PLC programming, Omron band, frequency drive inverter, how to frequency converted binary value to floating value and floating value converted real value frequency. This program I write. Firstly, friend, please subscribe my channel Atlas Automation BD. My channel have 200 plus video industrial PLC programming and industrial equipment, how to control input output, please visit and subscribe my channel. Our work PLC, HMI, Servo, BFD, industrial control device, sales and service. Friend, my PLC program CX programmer version 9.7 and my PLC CP1L connected. Friend, firstly new contact. Firstly I write frequency 60 Hz frequency, write program 0.00 frequency start switch, yes. New PLC instruction move hash 1770 and data register D100 60 Hz frequency. Friend, how to get 60 Hz frequency? Hash 1770. Six, 60 Hz means 6,000. 60 Hz means 6,000 converted hex value 1770. And this frequency move D100 and vertical line move hash 0 D2 value. And friend, it is the 60 Hz frequency program. Now I write convert frequency binary value to floating value and open contact network 1, P on switch, always on switch selected, always on switch. And application instruction FL tip floating value D100 frequency and D101. D100 is the frequency. D100 is the frequency. D100 60 Hz frequency move D100, and floating convert frequency command D100 from binary to floating point, and friend, vertical line, and application instruction. FLT floating hash 64 and store D103 data register. Friend, convert constant 100 is the 64 hex to floating point. Friend, 100 below 100 below convert hex 64 convert constant 100 below 64 hex to floating point. Okay friend, now I write instruction data divided. F divided D101 and D103 and store D0. Friend, D101 floating data, and another D10 data divided and store D0. And divided frequency by 100 to achieve 0.01 hertz increment, and 6000 divided 100 is equal to 60 hertz. 600 data divided 100 and output D0 is the 60 hertz. And friend said network 2 0.01 inverter run switch, inverter run switch, output 100.00. Inverter output. And friend, now I write inverter stop 0.02 inverter stop switch. 100.01 inverter output stop now and now I write reset data interface operation is started, and firstly open switch is the first cycle, P first cycle, yes, and go to the application instruction B S E T best #0 D 9000 and D 91000. Friend, best block set and source word. Source word is the data transfer and convert. 0, and D 9000 is the starting word. Lower channel norm, and D 91000 is the upper channel norm. Friend, complete my program, and now I compile this program. Compile, 0 error, 0 warning, and go to the online mode. And transfer to the PLC. Transfer all. Now I frequency start switch active, on, friend, inverter is running 1770, means 60 Hz frequency. 60 Hz frequency inverter is running. 60 Hz frequency inverter is running, and P1 is the always on switch, and convert frequency binary to floating point 6000 and convert 6000.00 binary value convert floating value convert 6000.00 floating point convert, and floating 6-bit floating, 16-bit floating, hash 16 is the 100, hash 16 is the 100, resulted 100 floating, 100 data floating, 100.0000, and finally divided plus 6000 floating data, and 100.00 floating data, and divided plus 16 Hz frequency. 16 Hz frequency inverter is running 60 Hz frequency. And run, inverter run, Friend, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and active the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel.